Hi everybody, this is Kent from Man About Tools. Yesterday was Marilyn's birthday, so I bought her a reciprocating saw. So Marilyn's been in the back field trimming branches by hand. She's been using a little folding saw, the Silky Pocket Boy 130, and that works pretty well. It's a very, very sharp saw, and it's pretty convenient, but it can be tough on the shoulder after a while, and tough on the hands. So she's always wanted some type of power tool. And I thought, well, chainsaw might be out of the question, but a little battery-operated Recip saw with a pruning blade. Perfect option. So this is a pruning blade made by Diablo. It's 9 inches and 5 teeth per inch. Perfect for trimming some branches. We picked up 2 of the 20-volt Dewalt Max batteries as well, and we've got one on the charger right now. So let's open this up and see what's inside. Pretty straightforward. It's a tool only. Battery just pops on like that. Pop this open. Blade slides right in. Pop shut, ready to go. She doesn't know I got this for her, so she's going to be surprised. Okay, so we got the battery charged up, we got the blade put on. Let's take the saw out to Marilyn to see how she likes it. Where's she at? She's out here somewhere. Hi, sweetheart.
Hi.
Happy belated birthday present.
Ah!
I got you a saw and some safety glasses.
Oh my goodness. That is fantastic. Look at this pile I did by hand.
That's a lot.
That's a lot. Oh my gosh.
So the battery's charged up, it's 20 volts. We got another battery on the charger right now, and I got you a pair of safety glasses.
Okay.
It's super sharp. Yep.
Hold on to here. Oh, I see there's a hand grip.
Yeah, there's a little lock as well.
Wow. Can I chalk this up now?
Try it out.
So I guess if I want to do this, I go from the ground up. Maybe I should put it up higher so I don't hit the ground.
Yeah.
Or, I don't know.
Try taking a little branch off a tree.
Right. Nice. I think I'll have to YouTube and see just how to do this.
Working out good?
Yeah, I love it. Thank you, honey. Look at this. Woo! Nice. Nice. Okay, this one.
Yeah, we got another battery charged up. Let's take it out to Marilyn. There's another battery for you.
Oh yeah.
All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So you've been using it for a while. How are you liking
I
it?
love it.
Yeah, is it working out well?
Look it.
Yeah, good.
Yeah, it's working out really well, saving my shoulders
Yeah.
big time. Not a very nice cut, but a cut. Yeah, so there you go. That's looking better. I think all the icky, gnarly low ones are good. They're fine, right? It's turned off. I always turn it off. Okay. Good and clear that way. Right? Ta-da! Come on, baby. We got work to do.
What do you like most about the saw?
Well, that it was my birthday gift. It's pretty sweet. It's got a really nice blade on it, and it's got enough weight that it doesn't vibrate in my hands, and I can take this weight seriously, but it's light enough I don't get fatigued. It's got an easy change battery with a beautiful little switch for me to check it and see how much fun I've got left. Seems to be lasting pretty good. It's got a really easy on off too that I like, so as soon as I'm done I can click that off.
Like the safety?
Like a safety. Well, yeah, it is a safety. It's got a nice handle grip here that I know that my hand's not going to slip, and it's not really loud. You can see I haven't been wearing earmuffs, eye protectors for sure, but I'm really loving what it's doing. It's exactly what I need for this job of cleaning up the backyard and trimming branches. Are you done yet? Get in there and bake me a pie. I've got work to do. Nice.
It works really well, huh? I think Marilyn really liked her birthday present. The reciprocating saw is going to be a very useful tool here around the homestead. If you like what you see, give us a thumbs up, and please hit the subscribe button. Until next time, this is Kent from Man About Tools. Thank you so much for watching.